Queen.
And it's Andy. And today we're going to be focusing on Lesson 3 of the Arduino Kit. This lesson will be called Buzz Me.
Let's get started. Okay guys, now we are at our Arduino Kit station. First, we're going to take the blue wire and plug it into the ground channel. Now you're going to take your red wire and plug it into the 9th channel. Now we're going to plug in our buzzer on the bottom of the 6 to our Arduino board. Now we're going to plug in the blue wire on the top of 6. Now we're going to plug in the red wire to the top of 9. Now we need to plug in our Arduino board. Let's roll over to Michael.
Okay everybody, we are at our Arduino IDE, and first we're going to start above void setup. We're going to type in consist, then int, and then buzz equals 9. Then we're going to put in a semicolon, then 2 slashes. Then we're going to type in buzzer to uno pin 9. Now we're going to go over down to our void setup. Alrighty everybody, we're going to type in pin mode. Then we're going to put in a parentheses buzz, comma, in all caps, output. And then we're going to put in a semicolon, then 2 slashes. And then we're going to put in set pin 9 as output. Now we're going to go down to our void loop. Okay, we're going to put in tone, and then we're going to put in buzz, and then we're going to put in 550. Then we're going to put in a semicolon, and we're going to hit enter and type in delay, so in parentheses 300. And then we're going to put in a semicolon. Then we're going to type in no tone. And then we're going to put in buzz and semicolon. And last but not least, we're going to put in delay. And then we're going to put in 300. Now we are going to hit the verify button. Alright, now it says it's done completing. And we're going to upload it to our Arduino Kit. Right here is our buzzer, and it is making a sound, so everything about it is correct. And that right there is Buzz Me.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it and subscribe to our channel so you cannot miss any more content like this one. And comment down below what other lessons you want to see.
And if you guys have not seen the last 2 lessons of the Arduino Kit, make sure to check them out. That means you know what's going on. Queen and Andy saves the day.